Morning Micro Map here, bringing you the latest and greatest stock market update and market trends. Beautiful day here in South Florida, 66, 67 degrees. Still on the humidity side, but it's really pretty nice overall. I like this time of year. One thing I don't like is I can't go in the pool like I usually do in the afternoons. Gotta wait for summer on that. Didn't do a video yesterday, got busy with work. And thank you for the heads up, Tejas, for a video that I had done and didn't have audio. I had audio on my phone. I had to upload it like 3 times. I don't know what was happening with YouTube, but I finally got it right. So 67 degrees, humidity is on the heavier side, 74 humidity, dew point 58. It is kind of humid, don't know why. My dehumidifier is cranking up buckets of water. I recycle that water to water the plants. Flu alert remains high in the area, and my allergies are usually kicking. So yeah, yesterday I got a little bit busy with work. Work is on the slower side. They want us to sell all these EVs. I have Tesla Model 3s and Chevy Bolts. If anyone needs one, take a look at some of my videos. But that's mainly what I have to sell, so you can only sell so many of those. I'm driving Volvo XC40. That thing's a rocket. Fast car, nice car. I like it. I love the EVs. They drive well. Who knows? I know Honda came out in the CES with a couple of concept cars. Forgot the name of them, but you could probably Google Honda's concept cars. They're pretty cool. I think I was reading that, or I heard that could charge a battery like in 15 minutes from 15% to 80%. So that's a plus. And I think the battery degrades 10% after 8 years or something. Don't hold my feet to the fire, but I heard the video last night pretty late. My daughter was supposed to play at 4 p.m. Game started at like 6. I didn't get home till like 10. So it was a long day. They lost 2-1 high school game. She plays again tomorrow. She did all right, nothing special. She's been kind of in a rut. I don't know if it's a confidence thing. It's not a physical or in shape kind of thing, because she's definitely in good shape and stuff. I think it's more of a mental thing, and sports is very heavy and mental. When I was a baseball player, when you would go on these slumps, it's very mental, can get in your head. I always tell her, hey, you gotta have your head on right, and sometimes it's not about how in shape you are and stuff like that. It's the mentality you have and the vision you have on the field and the anticipation and being Machiavelli, in other words. Well, not only in sports, but in life. Let's take a look at the futures. I had a couple of trades that I did yesterday, and I'll pull them up. Turn off. Oh. I was trying to avoid this because if they call me, I don't want to lose the video. If they call me, it's going to interrupt. It shouldn't interrupt. I don't know why it did, but let me go back here and see the watch list to see if this is working. At this time, Thinkorswim is not available. Interesting. Let's see here. Maybe it's because my airplane mode. Okay, so we're in here. Should be moving. Okay, so we're moving. So at 10 years, 4%. I hope nobody calls me and interrupts the video. That's why I had the other screen off. I had the data plan. Shouldn't interrupt it, but somebody called in a prior video and interrupted the video. Bitcoin down 1,800. There was some news that I think Twitter X got hacked, saying that the ETFs were approved, and I don't know, I guess it was a hack. So Bitcoin's down 1,800 to 45,000 almost. 4 years at 4%. and the dollar is at flat at 102.50, over 102.50. Oil back up to 73, up $1. S&P up 10. The unstoppable market continues. The unstoppable market economy that's booming. I hope you know I'm being sarcastic. Gold flat. Hogs about over 70 cents. Feeders 225. Small caps down 5 to 1976. Nasdaq up 16. Dow Jones up 100. The unstoppable market. Palladium and platinum basically almost at 1,000 each. Silver 23 bucks, under 23 bucks. VIX in the low 13s. Wheat, corn, soybeans haven't done anything. Down 4 cents, 13 cents, and 3 cents. Not good for the grains. And that's your open here at 9:30. Orders on the order front yesterday. I'm gonna have to go here. Okay, perfect. So I did an earnings trade in AEHR. It doesn't look like it's good. Yeah, I'm gonna end up losing on that trade. So I took a gamble. Didn't pay off. It is what it is. I got filled on a call in APLD, CRSR. Did a put credit spread in Bowl. Did a call in HRL. Did a put in Extreme Networks. Did a call in GOGL, which is a shipper. Did a couple calls in SSRM, a miner. QRTEA, is I think like the TV network kind of sales kind of thing. It's like they do I forgot the name of the show. Wow, it's having the tip of my tongue. But they sell stuff on the TV. And I closed Celsius. It got over 60 and I had some profits and those options were about to expire. So I closed it out. And then the tasty count, I did a long trade in SRPT, a biopharma that was showing unusual car activity. And there's a lot of bios moving. And I think there's mergers and acquisitions out there happening in the bio space. Tech software named NTNX, did a call there. I bought a straddle in Cart, which is Instacart. And I did a call in AV. Was it a call? In AVTR. I don't know if it was a call. It doesn't tell me here. It was a put, I'm sorry. I did the 19 put. Had a lot of action in the 19 put. And that's what I did yesterday. 4 trades here. There wasn't really much happening. So it's 4 trades there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 transactions. Wasn't too busy. I think tomorrow we get the CPI report. Let's take a look at the calendar. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. So tomorrow we have CPI. On the news front, SEC's account compromise was not due to any breach of X system, company says. So that was what I touched upon earlier today in the video. There was reports yesterday or the day before that credit card debt has soared in consumers. So I guess everybody's putting everything on their credit card to keep up with inflation and just to keep living the lavish lifestyles. But yeah, chime in, touch base, comment if you see things going well. I just looking at the job reports and reading articles and stuff like that. People are working 2 or 3 jobs just to stay, to stay ahead or to be able to survive. Inflation's out of hand on the food, and I don't think the economy is running on cylinders. A lot of companies have issues with that, and supposedly I read some news as well as that the Fed's gonna start the QT, quantitative tightening again, and they're gonna rein in the dollars. We shall see. We'll see what the CPI report says tomorrow. But on the news front, it's been pretty quiet, and the market has been pretty resilient. Big standout, Nvidia, just keeps bucking the trend, just keeps going higher. And those are the ones that I saw yesterday that I put trades on that had unusual options activity. I'll do another video later today on what I have I don't think my kid has soccer today, so I'll be probably on the slower front, trying to put some trades on if I see anything. But it just doesn't seem that the liquidity's there at all. No liquidity. Not much going on right now. So something's got to give here eventually. We'll find out. Anyways, like the video. Hopefully I have the audio and I can get it right the first time. And I'll check you on the flip side. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.